Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly find out what happens if you delete that htaccess file and how you can regenerate it. Now, this is our demo website, which is a default Enfold theme. Let's log in to its dashboard. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. Now to access htaccess file, we will use the File Manager plugin. But you can also use cPanel or FTP. Search for File Manager. This is the one. Install it. Activate the plugin. So the plugin has been activated. Let me clear the WP Rocket cache. It is done. Now go to the File Manager. Now here are all our website files, and you can also see the .htaccess file. Now before deleting it, always take a backup, right-click, and download. You will have to add later if you decide to upload it, or simply copy the codes. Anyway, let us delete it. Remove. So it is gone. Now let's check the website. The site also seems to work all good. This is a single-page website. Sometimes what happens is the links may not work. In that case, after deleting the htaccess file, go to Settings and Permalinks. Make your choices on the permalink structure. Scroll down and save changes. This will create a new htaccess file. If I again check the File Manager, you can see a new htaccess file will be created. So if there is any issue with the htaccess file, you can always delete it and regenerate it. Hope this video helped. Thank you very much.